Microsoft 365. This is one of the services JADWeb recommends for small businesses to help you make the most of your IT. Not only does it provide you with the standard Microsoft Office productivity suite, you can also communicate and manage users and devices depending on which package you purchase. Whether you want the basic package, which provides you with web and mobile versions of the Microsoft 365 apps. You can also have Microsoft Teams with this. You get a terabyte of cloud storage per user, business class email, and phone and web support. If you upgrade to Microsoft 365 Business Standard, you get even more, as well as the desktop versions of the Microsoft 365 apps. You can host webinars, you can manage attendee registration and get reporting tools, and you can manage customer appointments with the lovely Microsoft Bookings. Microsoft 365 Business Premium gives you even more. This gives you cyber threat protection, access and data control, and advanced security, allowing you to make sure that your data is secure wherever you store it, by keeping your PCs up to date, secure, and by managing your permissions within OneDrive and SharePoint. There are other packages that are higher than this, however these are the ones that we would recommend for small businesses. We'll be taking a look at them in more detail later on in this video. Packages that we would recommend for small businesses. Let's take a look at why we'd recommend each one, and for which kind of business. Microsoft 365 Business Basic is perfect if you've already got a perpetual license for the Microsoft Office suite. This is because you don't need the desktop apps if you've already purchased them. So you might as well just go for Business Basic if all you need is email, cloud storage, communication, and access to the web versions of the Office suite. This is because you can already link them with the perpetual version that you will already have installed on your PC or Mac. It is important to note though that the basic version doesn't include the advanced threat protection and device management that Microsoft 365 Business Premium includes. We'll be talking about Microsoft 365 Business Premium in a few minutes. Now, if you don't have the desktop versions of the apps, you might as well get the Microsoft 365 Business Standard. This gives you the desktop versions of the apps, so you get the full features that these apps include. The web versions don't include all of the features, however for some people they may be perfectly fine. However, if you think you'll need them, for example advanced features in Excel, or you need Microsoft Access, then Business Standard is probably the best option for you. Now, if you've got say 10 or 20 devices that you need to manage, keep secure, and have set up ready for your users when they change, or even just deploy applications, Microsoft 365 Business Premium is the best option for you. That's because it includes Microsoft Endpoint Manager, also known as Microsoft Intune. Microsoft Intune allows your IT administrator, in this case most likely JADWeb, to set up various security features for your devices to ensure that they are kept within compliance. This allows you to make sure that your data is kept secure so that you can provide a quality service without there being any risk of you losing customer or employee data. In addition, you can use things such as the Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Endpoint Manager or Intune, whichever you want to call it, company portal. This allows you to provide a list of apps that your employees can download onto their device, in many cases with licensing, without having to faff about looking on a server, the installation files, calling IT, or going online to download them. This will save you and your employees a lot of time, as they won't need to call IT to get this software installed. Plus, they can be set up in groups. So for example, if the accounting department needs certain software, they will get that list of software. If the management department needs certain software, they'll get that. If, for example, you have a creative department, they'll get their software, and so on. This way, you can separate the software out so that departments will get the software that they need on their devices without the other users being able to get it. And this means that it's just easier to manage the software that's on different devices. In addition, various policies can be set up. For example, we can have it so it can automatically connect to the company Wi-Fi by storing that automatically on Windows and Mac devices. You can also set other policies, for example, password length. You can set policies that mean that you see an acceptable use policy when you log on, and many more, including browser homepage and settings, and like I say, many more. This will be shown to you in detail if you choose to go for this package, and we'll explain this to you when you choose it.